How do you multiply decimals? So in here we have 0 and 12 hundredths. I'm going to multiply it by 0 and 3 tenths. And I will, where's my I get 0 and 36 thousandths. For this one, I get For this one, I get 24 hundredths, and I multiply by 13 hundredths times 24 hundredths, and I get 312 ten thousandths. Let me write that down. So, if you can see right here, notice how we count the decimal place. This is the hundredths place. This is in the tenths place. So if we multiply the hundredths place by the tenths place, our answer needs to be in the thousandths place. So here, there are 3 digits behind the decimal point. In our answer, we must have 3 digits behind the decimal point. So sometimes we count 1, 2, 3. Let's look at this one example. This is in the hundredths place. This is in the hundredths place. If we multiply the hundredths place by the hundredths place, we get 10 thousandths place. Tens, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths place. Another way some people do it is they count. There are 4 digits behind the decimal points. So our answer must have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal point. So let's see if we can do it without a calculator. If we multiply 8 hundredths by 9 tenths, we'll get 72, because 8 times 9 is 72. But this is in the hundredths place. This is in the tenths place. 100 times tenth is thousandths place. Is this in the thousand place? So tenths. So we move it 3 digits over. So it's 0.072 or 72 thousandths. Let's check our work. 100 times 10th is thousandths place. So the way you multiply decimal is you count the number of digits behind the decimal point and you move it accordingly. So what happens if you have these examples? If I need to multiply 3 and 15 hundredths times 2 and 4 tenths, first of all, I'm going to estimate. 3 and 1500 is close to 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So our answer will have to be around 6. So there are 2 trains of thoughts here. You can line up the decimal point like you learned at elementary school. 3 and 1500 times 2 and 4000. But do you notice how I had to affix a placeholder here? So in our final answer, we'll have to move it how many digits? The decimal point. 4 digits. However, some people prefer it this way. Just pretending the decimal points are not here. They don't exist. So we just multiply normally. 315 times 24. Then, once you get your answer, you move it 3 places over. So let's try this one. So 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. I am done with the 0, so I cross it out. So I put a placeholder here because now I'm working on this tens. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. Cross this out. Now I'm working on this hundredths place. Because I'm working on hundreds, I need to put 2 placeholders. 2 times 5 is 10. I carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. If I add all of this up, I get 0, 0, 6, 5, 7. Where do I put the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. hundreds times hundreds is 10,000s place, or our answer had to be in 10,000 place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal goes right here. So 7.56, or 7 and 56 10,000s, or 7 and 56 hundreds. Is that close to 6? Yeah, it's close. So if I put a decimal point right here, that would be 75. That's not close to 6. So let's look at this one. Maybe you prefer this way. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Please put a placeholder because now we are working on the tens. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. If I add these two lines together, I will get 0, 6, 5, 7. Let's count the number of decimal places, the digits behind the decimal point. 3 digits. So it has to be hundreds times tenths is thousands place. 1, 2, 3. So 7 and 56. 560 thousandths, or 7 and 56 hundredths. So which do you prefer? Do you prefer lining up the decimal point? Or do you just want to multiply at just like natural whole numbers and then you count the decimal point? Either one. Multiplying decimals.